Looking for reliable portable power? You're in the right place. Genelite is 100% Australian owned, with over 30 years experience in delivering reliable portable power solutions. Looking for a generator to run your power tools, welders, or for home backup? The Hyundai Industrial Range of petrol generators produce reliable petrol-powered performance. These generators are ideal for farm use, workshops, or emergency standby applications. Available in both electric start and recoil, complete with long-range fuel tanks offering run times between 7.5 hours and 15 hours. This generator comes with a 32 amp outlet alongside a 15 amp outlet, which allows you to power larger loads with ease, while the AVR alternator helps maintain stable voltage. Not sure what generator is right for you? Visit www.genelite.com.au and contact one of our application specialists.